Good morning. It's our third full day in Hokkaido, and today we are doing a day trip to Otaru. But before we get to Otaru, oh, it's snowing right now. Before we get to Otaru, we're stopping by Asari, which is just one stop before Otaru. It's nice because it's a town that's right by the water.
We just walking down the road in Asari. We made it to Asari Beach. Well, we just looked for a spot that we could stand and look at the water, but look at this. There's just snow everywhere. There's nobody around. We're like the only ones walking right now. This is just one stop away from Otaru to take a look.
There isn't much to do here. Even though it's really cold, I highly recommend coming here, especially if you have time early in the morning before heading to Otaru. Made it to Otaru and it's snowing a lot harder here. We have lunch reservations at a sushi restaurant at around 11:30, so we do have a few hours to kill before then. We're walking over to the fish market right now and see if we can get some more crab and uni.
The horsehair crab.
We're inside the fish market now and we stopped by this random shop to try hairy crab. Let's try it out. This is the hairy crab, the hairs. We've been wanting to try hairy crab because why not? We're in Hokkaido.
Oh, it's cold.
I don't know how to compare it to other crabs because I don't know much about crab, but I can say this has a lot of flavor and it has a lot of meat on it. Nice that they give you these scoops, this part out.
I like eating the legs. Legs are good. And they pre-craft it for you.
We also got a meal set that comes with 4 little dishes, and then she gave us squid on the side. We got uni, scallop, mantis shrimp, well, and then we have raw squid to try. We just finished at the fish market. I had to put on my furry hat because it's snowing right now. That was actually our chance to try hairy crab, even though we have lunch reservations in 2 hours, and it turned out to be so good. I would highly recommend trying it if you like crab. We have about an hour and a half before lunch, so we're gonna walk over to the canal. Hi again. So we just finished eating at the sushi restaurant that I booked. It's a really cute mom and pop shop. We highly recommend making a reservation. They have like really inexpensive lunch sets and we got to try different types of fish. Now we're walking to the Hello Kitty cafe. We are actually ahead of schedule, and then we're gonna go to the Music Box Museum, and then from there get some Hokkaido milk ice cream and then head back. As you can see, it's still snowing, but it's like a really nice light snow. I feel like it's not as wet. I don't know how to explain it, but it's just like so light and fluffy, and it's definitely manageable right now. We made it inside the Otaru Music Box Museum. It's pretty crowded.
Yeah. Angela picked up some Disney ones, Studio Ghibli. We picked up 6 of these smaller music boxes and 1 larger one. I picked up 2 anime ones, One Piece and Demon Slayer, and then a Harry Potter one.
We just finished shopping. We got a lot of souvenirs at the Music Box Museum. Even though it's snowing right now, we have to get some Hokkaido milk ice cream, and then we're gonna head back to Sapporo. It's snowing outside, but we still went to get some ice cream. I got the strawberry one and chocolate.
Oh, so creamy.
This place is called Ramen. I guess they have their own farm.
We're eating ice cream when it's snowing.
Today we are doing a day trip from Sapporo to Asahikawa. We are visiting the zoo for the famous Penguin March. It took us almost 2 hours to get here from Sapporo. We had to take a train and a bus. Definitely a few minutes of them marching down,
And then they slide too.
We even saw one penguin fall down and then just started sliding. It was so cute. We highly recommend leaving early and getting here at opening at 10:30 a.m. The Penguin March starts exactly at 11 a.m. It was so cool to see. We're gonna spend a couple of hours at the zoo now to check out some of the other animals, but first we're gonna go get a light breakfast. It's snowing right now. It's very cold. Since it's winter time, we have options for hot drinks in the vending machines. I got corn soup last time and it was really good. There's some milk coffee.
I'm gonna try this.
These are all hot, so it's gonna be perfect for this weather.
Annie.
Hey, we're gonna see some polar bears now.
We are finished with our quick lunch. Now we are going to walk around the zoo a little bit. We're gonna try to see what we can, and then we're gonna move back into the main city, spend the rest of the day there. We're gonna check out the Asahikawa Snow Festival, and then we have to head all the way back to Sapporo, which is an 1.5-hour train. Our French toast came, and it came with black pepper. Yeah, that's black pepper. Black pepper, maple syrup, French toast.
Everything's on here: pepper, cream, and maple syrup. So cold right now. We're checking out the snow festival. This one's a little smaller. It's cute because they have snow sculptures that are made by high school students.
Made it to the top of the wall.
We are finishing up at the Asahikawa Winter Snow Festival, and then we're thinking about heading back earlier. It takes about an hour and a half to get back to Sapporo. We made it back to Sapporo, and we picked to eat shabu shabu for dinner tonight because it's really cold outside.